Let's talk a little bit about the new branding that's coming out from Scouting America. This is a big deal. Last summer at the national meeting, the announcement was made that with everything going on and in scouting, that we were changing the Boy Scouts of America logo to become more congruent to the programs that it provides. Scouting America encompasses all of the programs, whether it be Cub Scouts, troops, crews, ships, explorers, covers everything. And better identifies the organization because every single program is open to all youth. Now, on the 115th anniversary of Scouting in America, it was announced the new logo would be available as a patch that you could upgrade your uniform with. At the rollout, they said that all of the new inventory that's out there will have this embroidered already on the shirt. And for that small amount of inventory would be updated with the patch. The patch will be available from now until summer. It will vary depending on where you are. But this patch can be purchased and then put on existing uniforms. Now, the timeline for this change is optional depending on what type of scouting you're doing. And regardless, it's up to the individual to make the purchase of the actual patch and adapt it to their uniform. The logo currently exists over the right pocket on the uniform shirt. And this is where that additional patch can be added over the embroidered logo on the shirt. Now, keep in mind that all of the information that's out there makes this optional. The individual will need to purchase the patch and put it on their uniform if they so choose. As with a lot of things in scouting, the old uniforms are not being deprecated or restricted. Uniforms can be updated with this new patch, and vintage uniforms would not need this because it wouldn't be appropriate for its era. Cost and availability, now this will depend a lot on your area. A lot of the metropolitan areas will be very limited in the amount of patches for an upgrade that will be available. Now, this branding not being mandatory will vary from area to area as far as what is actually on the shelf. Now, a lot of the inventory that the scout shirts at the scout shop need to be updated with the patch first. Then the patches will be available for general upgrading of uniforms that already are in use. Now, this has a huge impact on traditions in scouting. Many leaders like the old branding, and that's fine. And they should not be pressured or made to feel bad about wearing the old logos. After all, vintage uniforms are totally fine. It would be acceptable to not really do this update until they needed a new uniform, and it will already be there. So for history's sake, uniforms after February 8th, 2025 will have the new logo on them. Uniforms prior to that will stay the same. Always keep in mind that the patches on a scout uniform tell a story, so it is very historically relevant. Overall, the community reaction to this logo, this new branding, Scouting America, seems to be very positive. Scouting has gone through some changes and had difficulties, and this sets us up for a new resurgence of scouting in America. Always keep in mind, scout leaders are very traditional and they may not embrace this change to the new logo, which is fine. It is optional. It's my firm hope that scout leaders will adapt to this new branding that encompasses all of the programs that Scouting in America is known for. Scouting America matches up a lot more with the rest of the world in conveying the program appropriately and supporting all that are involved. As I said earlier, all the different programs that Scouting has all the youth of both genders, has all of the different youths are involved in every program, whether it be a Cub Scout pack, a troop, a crew with adventure crew, a Sea Scout ship, or Explorer post. All of them as one under the new branding, Scouting America. Now, as Scout leaders, we do a lot of work with our Scouts. We need to represent all of them. So I encourage updating the uniform with the new logo. But if you want tradition in Scouting to last, you have to represent that too. Scouting is an enormous outreach in your community. Keep up that great hard work that we do for our community and our youth, building a better tomorrow through Scout leaders, to Scouts that will become the future leaders of America. And I'll see you on the trail.